Good morning, my dear students. Here is the voice of perfect tenses: present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect. Let us see active and passive voice of present perfect, past perfect, and future perfect tenses in detail. When the active voice is in present perfect tense, the following structure will be used for making passive voice. Structure is subject plus has oblique have plus been plus verb third form plus by plus object. I again repeat, the structure is subject plus has have plus been plus verb third form, which is also known as past participle form of verb, plus by plus object. Let's see example. Mohan has sung a song. So this is a present perfect active voice, and if it has to be changed into passive voice, we shall be using the above structure. Students, you know that the object of an active voice becomes the subject in the passive voice, and the subject of an active voice becomes the object. So here a song is the object which has become subject here, and Mohan is the subject which has become object in the passive voice. Now the answer will be a song has been sung by Mohan. We always use verb third form. Now let us see where do we use has and have. Rules for using has or have. So when the subject is in third person singular number like he, she, it and all singular noun, we use has. यानी कि थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर नंबर में जब सब्जेक्ट होगा तो हम उसके साथ हैज़ का प्रयोग करते हैं, एंड विद अदर पर्सन्स वेदर सिंगुलर और प्लूरल वी यूज़ हैव. और यदि दूसरे पर्सन्स में होगा लाइक फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन प्लूरल नंबर, उनके साथ हम हैव का यूज़ करेंगे. सिमिलरली फॉर नेगेटिव्स एंड इंट्रोगेटिव्स द स्ट्रक्चर्स आर subject plus has oblique have plus not plus been plus V3 plus by plus object, and for interrogative the structure is has have plus subject plus been plus verb third form plus by plus object. Let's make it more clear by the following example. Example first is Mohan has not sung a song. This is negative of present perfect, and when it changes into passive voice it will become a song has not been sung by Mohan. The second one, the interrogative, has Mohan sung a song? Has a song been sung by Mohan? So this will be has a song been sung by Mohan. It will become song, S-O-N-G. Right. So I hope you have understood. Now let us come to the next one. So when the active voice is in past perfect tense, the following structure is used for passive voice. Structure is subject plus had plus been plus verb third form plus by plus object. Again I repeat, structure is subject plus had plus been plus verb third form plus by plus object. For example, she had taught English. This is past perfect active voice. Again, let us see what is subject and object here in the active voice. She is the subject and English is the object, dear students. So object will change into subject and subject will change into object when we change from active to passive voice. So here it will be English had been taught by her. She will change into her. Similarly, for negatives and interrogatives, the structure for passive voice are subject plus had plus not plus been plus verb third form plus by plus object, and for interrogative it will be had plus subject plus been plus verb third form plus by plus object. It will become more clear by the following example. Example 1, she had not taught English. So this is negative of past perfect. Now let's change into passive voice. It will become English had not been taught by her. Similarly, let's see the example second of interrogative. Had she taught English? So this is interrogative of past perfect. Now let's change into passive voice. Had English been taught by her? So I have a reminder for you. Please note that subject of active voice becomes object in passive and object of active voice becomes subject in passive. V3 form of verb is used in passive. Now let me make you understand in English. Is done. So let me make you understand in Hindi. सब्जेक्ट जो एक्टिव वॉइस में होगा वो पैसिव वॉइस में ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा और जो ऑब्जेक्ट होगा एक्टिव वॉइस में वो सब्जेक्ट बन जाएगा पैसिव वॉइस में. साथ ही साथ सेकंड देखेंगे कि हम लोग हमेशा पैसिव वॉइस बनाने में वर्ब का थर्ड फॉर्म यानी कि पास्ट पार्टिसिपल ऑफ फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ हियर वी गो विद द थर्ड वन which is the future perfect. So when the active voice is in future perfect, the following structure is used for passive voice. The structure is subject plus will shall plus have plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. Again I repeat, subject plus will shall plus have plus been plus V3 plus by plus object. Let's see the example, it will become more clear. You will have done your work. So this is future perfect. So what is subject here and what is object here? Let's underline it. You is the subject here and your work is the object here. So your work will become the subject for the passive voice and you will become the object for the passive voice. So the answer will be your work will have been done by you. Similarly, for negative and interrogative, the structure for passive voice is subject plus shall will plus not plus have plus been plus V3 plus by plus object, or for interrogatives it will be shall will plus subject plus have been plus V3 plus by plus object. Now let's clear it by the following examples. First example is you will not have done your work. This is negative of future perfect. The answer will be your work will not have been done by you. Second example of interrogative we have here, will you have done your work? It is interrogative of future perfect. So will your work have been done by you? So students, in this way we have completed present perfect voice, past perfect voice and future perfect voice. Now I will give you some worksheet related to it. Let's see. Here we have exercise based on present, past and future perfect. So change the following into passive voice. Here are the affirmatives. So you have spoken the truth. So this is the, you have spoken the truth. This is the future perfect. This is the present perfect. And let me change you into the passive voice. So the truth is the, what is the truth? The truth is the object here and you is the subject here. So it will get changed likely. The truth has been spoken